The market follows our plan, and we cash a 64% winner. You know what that means. This is Invest with Jacob. Okay, guys, so the market followed our plan pretty perfectly today. We were able to buy just above the low of the day and cash out the last part of our trade at the high of the day at the close. From here, we have to see if they're going to continue to run and hit the A wave target or if they're ready for the B wave pullback. Now, I'll get into all that in just one second. But first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP 500. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. All right, guys, so the market gave us the B wave pullback of A and then started in C of A, and we were able to trade almost the entire C wave today to perfection. And now we have to decide if we're going to go hit that A wave target. So let's jump into the chart and take a look. Okay, guys, here we are on the 1 hour futures chart. And as you can see at the open today, they pushed it down in wave B of A, back testing that 46.25 area that we've been talking about. They were able to hold it this time, and they bounced, and we were able to enter at 46.43, just above the low, and trade it all the way up to the highs at the close and had a really nice trading day today. So now the question is, can they continue to extend up to hit these targets, or are we ready to start this wave B pullback from here? They kind of hit a big, strong resistance area here, so they may be running out a little bit of gas, but there is a catalyst tomorrow. The CPI numbers come out, and that catalyst could go ahead and push us up to our target first and then start the pullback, or it could be a negative catalyst and push us back right away. So remember, guys, these things still move in three-wave structures. This A wave doesn't move in a straight line up to A. It's going to move in an A, B, C, as you can see on the chart here. Down in B will be an A, B, C as well. And then we'll look for a five-wave structure up in C for the ending diagonal higher. So let's talk about the two paths and what we're looking at now since we have the B wave of A in place. So with this B wave in place, we're able to calculate some targets for the top of A. The first one is the 764. Okay, it's a less common target, but it is a target that you can hit in a C wave, and it comes in at 47.16. And the 1.0, which is the more common target, comes in at 47.43. Now, if they do get information that they like and they want to really provide a strong catalyst for this move up, they can stretch it to as high as the 1236 around 47.70. So pretty wide range tomorrow for the A wave. The minimum I think we should hit is 47.16, and we might get that overnight and kind of drift sideways until we get that CPI number. And then once we get that, that'll be the catalyst that decides if we are done in A and starting the pullback in B, or if we are going to shoot higher to hit the target for wave A. So once we're in A, or once A is done, I should say, then we have to decide whether we're going to get B down and C up, or we're in wave 2 getting ready to start 3 down. So with our targets in place, right now I have the retrace at the highs of the overnight here at about 47.09, or I guess it's actually 47.10. I should move that up a little bit, but a couple quarters ain't going to matter. Anyway, it's around 47.10 here. And the retrace, okay, targets 46.41 from here all the way down to as low as 46.05, but I don't think we should hit that in this B wave. I think we should hold the 46.25 again should we get there. There's a lot of support there, and we should be able to hold that number. But a move through 46.05, assuming this is the top, and I don't think it is, I'm just telling you that, assuming this is a top, a move through 46.05 would be a warning sign. If we do move this up to our targets, so if it hits the 764, our targets move up a little bit to 44, and then a move through 46.06 tells us that it's a problem. And then a move all the way up to the 1.0 extension tells us that our first target would be about 46.57 for the pullback in B, down to as low as 46.12, and that would be our red flag. So the 764 retrace is the red flag for wave 3 down, okay? Usually when you break the 764 of waves of this move up, that tells us we're going to break this low and continue lower. And if this low breaks, then we are definitely in wave 3 down in an ending diagonal that way. So all you have to do, guys, to calculate this on your own is when we finally hit the top, okay, then you just draw in these fib retracement tool that I have on the screen. Most of these trading platforms have it. And then from the top, you'll just know that the 764 retrace is the red line. Okay, that is going to be where we have to hold if we want to continue higher in this ending diagonal towards 48.50. And if that 764 retrace, wherever it falls after we top, that is the key number to watch. So if we break that, okay, it is very likely we're going to move down in wave 3 of C and an ABC structure, okay? So we'd get an A down, a B wave bounce up, and then the C wave down in 3. So nothing has changed from yesterday. The two main ending diagonal paths are still in play. We're looking for this A wave to top, okay, and give us a reversal. And then once we get that top in place, we are looking to hold the 50 to 61.8 region and know that the 764 region is our red line area. That is a must-hold area for us to continue to be in B going up in C. If this 764 breaks, then it's very likely that this was wave 2 up and not wave A, and we are in wave 3 down that would target that 44.40 to 43.50 area on the ES chart. So that is really what we're watching today, guys. Can they extend it up past this 47.16 all the way to this 47.43 number, or even as high as 47.71? I can tell you right now, if they get numbers they like and the catalyst is strong, it's an ending diagonal, and ending diagonals very often push past the 1.0 extension. So this is not out of the question to see a 47.71 number here. From wherever they establish the top, whether it's the 764, the 1, or the 1236, we will look for the pullback. And again, that must hold the 764 retrace in order to be this B wave. Otherwise, we are in 3 of C down. All right, guys, if you like the information that I put out in these videos and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to get in my Facebook group. Okay, there's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and it will take you over to Facebook. Now, once you get to Facebook, you do have to get approved to get in my group, but the only thing that I ask is you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So hit that subscribe button down below, all right, and I will get you into my Facebook group. Now, once you're in Facebook, click on this featured button right here, okay, and then scroll down. You'll see a link to my documented trades, so you can see everything we've traded since we've been on the channel. And then you scroll down just a little bit further, and you'll see a link to my Slack channel. Now, Slack is just a free chat channel, and I am on there all day giving real-time market updates, all of my buy and sell alerts, and answering all of your Elliott Wave questions. It is an excellent group of traders from the very beginner to the very expert, and it's an awesome place to learn or improve your trading. So come on over, guys. Let's make some money together. Okay, guys, key takeaways for today. We need to establish a top in A. Once we establish that top, we're going to look for a pullback in either B or 3 of C. And again, the key number is going to be wherever that top is. The 764 retrace is going to be the number that must hold. And really, we're looking to target the 50 or 61.8. If we move lower than the 61.8, we should start to be on alert that we're on the wave 3. But if it holds 76.4 and you see a strong reversal off of that, then we are still alive in the ending diagonal. All right, guys, that is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.